Assalamualaikum Mulladi.
Walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh, dear brothers.
How are you?
I am extremely fine.
We are also fine, but what are you doing these days?
in our class at Jamia Rabbani Mangalwar Sharif.
Which kind of education is it? What will you do after getting this education?
Your question, which kind of education? Islamic education is taught in madrasa that teach mankind brotherhood and unity. As the Quran says, إِنَّمَا الْمُؤْمِنُونَ إِخْوَةٌ. And Islam prohibits backbiting and mocking others. As the Quran says, يَا أَيُّهَا الَّذِينَ آمَنُوا لَا يَسْخَرْ قَوْمٌ مِّنْ قَوْمٍ. And your question, what will you do after getting it? First of all, I will teach Islamic education in all around the world, and I will guide mankind for the right way, and I will teach them the humanity.
All things right, but you should learn English and modern education and technology. Otherwise, you will have to face many trouble in real life because it is necessary and parts of life. Therefore, as you are like person and a student of madrasa are not then insulted in every place. For example, during the traveling and marketing and etc.
Oh, Mr. Control your tongue and don't think negative. I am a student of Jamia Rabbani. I am proud that Jamia Board is complete and perfect. Therefore, I understand and speak English easily without grammatically mistake.
Can I ask a grammar question?
Why not?
Do you know letter? What is definition of English letter?
A letter is the small list unit with the help of which we write on English word.
Do you know letter?
Yes, I know very well.
How many tense?
There are 3 tense, present tense, past tense, future tense. Oh, Mister, do you have knowledge about conjugation?
I am listening first time this word.
It was taught me by great teacher M.D. Maulana Abdul Qasimi. Carefully listen. Simple present, I go, I don't go. Past continuous, she was going, she wasn't going. Future perfect, I will have gone, I won't have gone.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. You are expert and alone. God save you.
Dear brothers, you asked me many questions. Can I ask some easy questions? Who is the last prophet?
I don't have knowledge about it.
How many chapters are in the Holy Quran?
I don't know like this thing and I am ashamed on myself.
May Allah give you tawfiq to study Islamic teachings. Salam.
Wa alaikum salam.